time that I return.
Like you enjoy it in your mouth. You enjoy it. You enjoy it. It's quite crunchy. You gotta do blow and the whole thing. I couldn't take it out with that. They're taking the stinger off. Oh, good, not bad, right?
Can't see how